The African savanna, 2.1 million years ago, was a diverse ecosystem. Early hominids, such as Homo habilis, foraged for food on the savanna. Early Homo erectus also inhabited the African savanna during this period. The savanna provided a challenging environment for early hominids, requiring adaptation and innovation. Foraging was a crucial activity for the survival of early hominids on the African savanna. Early humans selected suitable stones for creating tools. Percussive techniques were employed to shape the stones into desired forms. Choppers were among the earliest and simplest stone tools created. Flakes, sharp-edged fragments, served as cutting and scraping implements. Stone tool creation involved a process of repeated striking and evaluation. These early tools represent a crucial stage in human technological development. Early humans utilized newly created stone tools for butchering scavenged animal carcasses. Butchering carcasses provided early humans with access to protein-rich food sources. Stone tools enabled early humans to efficiently process animal carcasses for consumption. The ability to butcher animals marked a significant advancement in early human dietary practices. Accessing protein-rich food sources contributed to the physical and cognitive development of early humans. Access to water sources was crucial for the survival of early humans. Early humans obtained water directly from rivers and streams for immediate consumption. Simple containers were used to transport water, enabling access away from the immediate water source. The ability to store and transport water allowed early humans to expand their settlements and activities. Reliable water sources supported the development of early agriculture and animal husbandry. Control over water resources played a key role in the growth and stability of early human communities. Early humans gathered plant-based foods, including fruits, roots, and tubers for sustenance. Fruits provided essential vitamins and sugars for energy. Roots and tubers offered a source of complex carbohydrates and minerals. The gathering of plant-based foods was a crucial survival strategy for early human populations. Early humans sought refuge in natural rock overhangs or cave entrances for protection. Natural shelters provided a safe haven from predators during the night. These shelters offered protection from the harsh elements, such as wind and rain. Seeking shelter was a crucial survival strategy for early humans. Controlled fire provides warmth, cooking capabilities, and protection from predators. The use of controlled fire represents an advanced behavior. Evidence supports the use of controlled fire for survival and advancement. Controlled fire is a key element in the progression of early human technology. Early human migration out of Africa was driven by the pursuit of animal herds and new resources. The transition to more arid environments presented new challenges and adaptations for early humans. Following animal migration patterns provided a consistent food source for early human populations. The search for new resources was a primary motivator for early human exploration and settlement. Early humans demonstrated the ability to navigate various terrains, including shallow water bodies. Crossing coastal areas showcased early human adaptability to diverse environments. Shallow water crossings required both knowledge of the environment and cooperative strategies. Navigating water bodies facilitated access to new resources and expanded territories. Early human traversal of water bodies demonstrates an understanding of water depth and current. The ability to adapt to different terrains was crucial for the survival and expansion of early human populations. Early humans demonstrate adaptability by migrating to and settling in new environments. Migration to Eurasia introduced early humans to novel flora and fauna. Encountering new environments required early humans to adapt their survival strategies. Adaptation to diverse climates and resources was crucial for the survival of early human populations. The ability to adapt allowed early humans to thrive in various ecological niches. Early humans adapted tool-making techniques to suit new environments. Tool adaptation involved creating tools for hunting different animals. New plant foods required specialized tools for processing. Available resources directly influenced the materials used in tool construction. Tool adaptation improved hunting efficiency and dietary diversity. Early human social interaction involved cooperation in activities such as hunting. Sharing food was a fundamental aspect of early human social bonds. Social bonds were crucial for the survival and prosperity of early human communities. Cooperative behavior enhanced the efficiency of resource acquisition. Strong social connections provided mutual support and protection against external threats. Early human societies relied on collective knowledge and skill sharing for advancement. Early humans defended themselves against predators through the use of tools. Cooperative strategies were essential for early human survival against predators. Large cats and hyenas posed significant threats to early human populations. Tool use provided early humans with a crucial advantage in predator confrontations. Defense strategies involved both proactive measures and reactive responses to predator threats. Early humans migrating to colder regions adapted by utilizing animal skins for insulation. Seeking shelter in caves provided protection from the elements and a stable microclimate. Simple shelters were constructed as temporary or semi-permanent solutions for protection against cold weather. These adaptations increased survival rates in colder climates. Early humans followed the migratory patterns of large herbivores. Following migrations ensured a consistent food supply for early human populations. Herbivore migration patterns are influenced by seasonal changes in vegetation. Tracking animal movements required observation skills and knowledge of the environment. Migration patterns often dictated the social structure and settlement locations of early humans. The ability to predict and follow migrations was crucial for survival and population growth. Early humans supplemented their diet by scavenging from the kills of other predators. Scavenging provided early humans with valuable protein and fat. The practice of scavenging helped early humans adapt to their environment. Scavenging allowed early humans to obtain resources without the risk of direct confrontation. This dietary strategy played a crucial role in the survival and development of early human populations. Olduvai Gorge is a significant archaeological site located in Tanzania. The area is renowned for its rich fossil evidence of early human ancestors. Fossil discoveries at Olduvai Gorge provide critical insights into human evolution. Archaeological research continues to uncover new evidence about early human life and behavior. The Dmanisi site in Georgia provides evidence of early human presence outside of Africa. Dmanisi is a significant location for understanding early hominin migration patterns. Fossil discoveries at Dmanisi offer insights into the physical characteristics of early Homo species. The Dmanisi findings contribute to the understanding of early human adaptation to new environments. Early human communication relied on gestures to convey basic needs and intentions. Vocalizations complemented gestures, enabling more complex information sharing among early humans. Gestures and vocalizations facilitated coordinated activities such as hunting and gathering. The combination of gestures and vocalizations allowed early humans to share information about resources and dangers. Simple communication strategies were essential for the survival and social cohesion of early human communities. Early humans developed observational skills to understand their surrounding environment. Understanding animal behavior was crucial for hunting and survival. Knowledge of plant cycles provided information on food sources and seasonal changes. Recognizing weather patterns allowed for preparation and adaptation to environmental conditions. Early humans learned through trial and error, adapting their strategies based on observed outcomes. Successful strategies were remembered and passed down, forming the basis of early human knowledge. Cognitive abilities allowed early humans to analyze cause and effect relationships in their environment. Learning from experience enabled early humans to improve survival rates and develop more effective tools and techniques. Early human societies prioritized parental care due to the extended dependency and vulnerability of infants. The survival of early human groups depended significantly on the successful rearing of young offspring. Infant vulnerability necessitated strong social bonds and cooperative child-rearing practices within early human communities. Carrying infants allowed early humans to maintain mobility while ensuring the safety and proximity of their offspring. Parental investment in early human infants was crucial for transmitting knowledge and cultural practices to the next generation. Early humans adapted to seasonal changes by storing food. Seeking shelter was a crucial adaptation to harsh weather conditions. Seasonal adaptations ensured survival during periods of scarcity and environmental stress. These behavioral adjustments increased the likelihood of survival and reproduction. Early humans addressed injuries using available natural resources. Simple bandaging techniques were employed to protect wounds and promote healing. The application of natural remedies was a key component of early wound care. Early humans developed practical methods for managing injuries in their environment. Early human societies relied on group decision-making for survival. Choosing migration routes was a critical decision made collectively to ensure access to resources. Deciding when to hunt required group consensus to maximize success and minimize risk. Group decision-making allowed early humans to pool knowledge and share risks. This collaborative approach enhanced their ability to adapt to environmental challenges. Early human exploration involved identifying and mapping new territories. Resource identification was crucial for early human survival in new environments. Assessing potential dangers was a key aspect of exploring unfamiliar areas. Mapping resources and dangers facilitated strategic decision-making for early humans. Successful exploration enabled early humans to establish settlements and expand their range. The process of exploration involved a continuous cycle of observation, mapping, and adaptation. Early humans constructed shelters using available natural materials. Branches provided the structural support for these primitive dwellings. Leaves were used as cladding to provide protection from the elements. Simple shelters offered basic protection from weather and predators. The design of these shelters was dictated by the local environment and available resources. These early structures represent the ingenuity of early humans in adapting to their surroundings. The advent of fire allowed early humans to cook food, enhancing its digestibility. Cooking breaks down complex carbohydrates and proteins, making nutrients more accessible. Fire eliminates harmful bacteria and parasites, improving food safety and reducing illness. Cooked food provides more energy per unit, supporting brain development and physical growth. The use of fire for cooking expanded the range of edible plants and animals available to early humans. Cooking with fire is a transformative process that increases food's nutritional value and safety. Early human societies shared resources to strengthen social connections. Resource sharing ensured group survival by distributing essential supplies. Shared resources fostered cooperation and mutual support among early humans. The act of sharing reinforced social bonds, building trust and unity within the community. Effective resource distribution was critical for the stability and growth of early human groups. Early humans defended their territory to secure essential resources. Territorial defense protected families and ensured their survival. Groups competed for control of hunting grounds and water sources. Defending territory involved strategies such as vigilance and coordinated action. Successful territorial defense increased a group's chances of long-term prosperity. Territorial boundaries were often marked by natural landmarks or constructed barriers. Early humans adapted their diets based on the available food sources in their environments. This dietary adaptation led to increased versatility in eating habits among early human populations. Different environments presented unique challenges and opportunities for early human diets. The ability to adapt diets was crucial for early human survival and expansion into diverse habitats. Dietary adaptations enabled early humans to thrive in a wide range of ecological niches. Knowledge and skills are transferred from elders to younger generations. Elders share traditional practices and cultural wisdom with the youth. Oral traditions and storytelling serve as key methods of intergenerational learning. Practical skills and hands-on experience complement theoretical knowledge. Early humans faced environmental challenges, including droughts, that tested their survival. Floods presented another significant environmental obstacle for early human settlements. Volcanic eruptions posed immediate and devastating threats to early human populations. Resilience and adaptability were crucial for early humans to overcome these environmental hardships. Early humans developed increasingly sophisticated tools. Improved tools enhanced the efficiency of hunting practices. More efficient tools also improved the gathering of plant-based foods. Advanced tools facilitated more effective food processing techniques. These advancements led to increased food availability and dietary diversity. The development of new tools significantly impacted early human survival and societal development. Early humans utilized natural clay resources for pottery production. Clay was molded and fired to create durable vessels for storage and cooking. Natural pigments were extracted from plants and minerals for decorative purposes. These pigments were used to create art on cave walls and decorate tools and clothing. The use of natural resources enabled early humans to develop essential technologies. Sustainable use of natural resources was crucial for the survival of early human societies. Early humans used available resources to create simple clothing. Animal skins provided a primary source of protection against the cold. Plant fibers were woven together to form basic textiles. Simple clothing offered essential insulation in colder climates. The creation of clothing marked an early adaptation to environmental challenges. Early clothing designs were dictated by available materials and basic needs. Early humans adapted diverse hunting strategies based on prey and environmental conditions. Ambush hunting involves concealment and surprise attacks on unsuspecting prey. Cooperative hunting relies on coordinated teamwork to pursue and capture prey. Effective hunting strategies were crucial for the survival and sustenance of early human communities. Early humans gathered various plant foods to sustain themselves. Identifying edible plants was a crucial skill for early human survival. Early humans developed methods to process plants for consumption. Knowledge of plant properties and processing techniques improved dietary diversity and safety. Early humans preserved meat through drying to extend its usability. Smoking meat was another method utilized by early humans for preservation. Fermentation allowed early humans to preserve meat by altering its chemical composition. These preservation methods allowed for later consumption of meat when fresh sources were unavailable. Drying, smoking, and fermentation each offered unique advantages in different environments. Early human social dynamics involved the formation of strong interpersonal bonds. Cooperation was essential for early human survival, enabling tasks beyond individual capabilities. Shared resources and collaborative hunting strategies improved food security. Social structures provided a framework for distributing responsibilities and maintaining order. Communication, both verbal and nonverbal, facilitated coordination and conflict resolution. Building relationships fostered trust and mutual support within early human communities. Early human societies developed coping mechanisms for dealing with loss. Emotional bonds within the group were crucial for mutual support during times of bereavement. Community support played a vital role in helping individuals process grief and maintain social cohesion. Shared rituals and practices provided a structured outlet for expressing sorrow and honoring the deceased. The ability to cope with loss contributed to the survival and resilience of early human communities. Early human societies preserved their cultural heritage through the transmission of traditions. Customs, as a key component of cultural heritage, were passed down across generations. The intergenerational transfer of knowledge ensured the continuity of societal practices. Traditions and customs served as a cohesive force, uniting communities and fostering shared identity. This transmission of cultural heritage ensured the survival and prosperity of early human groups. Early humans adapted to new climates through technological innovation. New survival strategies were crucial for early human adaptation to diverse environments. Behavioral changes played a key role in early humans thriving in unfamiliar climates. Adaptation involved a combination of technological, strategic, and behavioral modifications. Early humans utilized coastal regions as a source of marine resources. Shellfish provided a readily available source of protein and essential nutrients. Seaweed offered vitamins and minerals, supplementing the early human diet. Coastal resource utilization supported the survival and development of early human populations. Early humans used fire to extend activities into the night. Fire provided a source of light, enabling tasks after sunset. The use of fire offered safety from nocturnal predators. Firelight allowed for improved visibility and awareness of surroundings. The controlled use of fire marked a significant advancement in early human development. Fire provided warmth, light, and a sense of community. Early humans may have created simple art, such as cave paintings. Cave paintings served as an early form of creative expression. Engravings on stone or bone were another form of early artistic expression. These early art forms demonstrate symbolic thinking and abstract representation. The creation of art reflects early humans' cognitive development and cultural practices. Early humans developed increasingly complex language skills. Advanced language skills enabled more effective communication within groups. Precise information sharing facilitated collaborative problem-solving and knowledge transfer. The development of complex language was crucial for societal advancement and cultural evolution. Early humans began forming larger communities to enhance social structures. Increased community size facilitated more complex social interactions and hierarchies. Cooperation among larger groups improved hunting and resource gathering efficiency. Larger communities enhanced the ability to compete with other groups for resources and territory. Social complexity grew as communities developed specialized roles and responsibilities. The formation of larger communities marked a significant step in early human social evolution. Early humans may have developed trade networks to exchange goods and services. Evidence suggests the exchange of resources between different groups. Trade networks facilitated access to resources not locally available. These networks may have fostered cultural exchange and technological advancement. Early humans demonstrated resilience and adaptability by adapting to new challenges. Competition for resources drove innovation and adaptation among early human populations. Environmental changes forced early humans to develop new survival strategies. Adaptation involved developing new tools and techniques for hunting and gathering. Cooperation and social organization were crucial adaptations for early human survival. Early humans' ability to learn and transmit knowledge facilitated their adaptation to diverse environments. Women play a central role in gathering essential resources for the community. Childcare is a vital contribution of women, ensuring the well-being of future generations. Women contribute significantly to various essential activities that sustain the community's livelihood. The collective efforts of women are integral to the group's survival and prosperity. Women's roles encompass both immediate needs and long-term sustainability within the community. Men play a crucial role in hunting to provide sustenance for the group. Protection of the group from external threats is a primary responsibility of men. Men contribute significantly through tool-making, creating essential implements for survival. Hunting, protection, and tool-making are vital functions that contribute to the group's survival and prosperity. Children acquire skills and behaviors by observing and imitating adults. Observational learning involves attention, retention, reproduction, and motivation. Imitation is a key mechanism through which children learn social norms and cultural practices. Positive reinforcement from adults strengthens the likelihood of repeated behaviors in children. Early humans utilized natural resources to address common diseases and injuries. Herbal remedies were frequently employed for their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Wound care involved the use of natural antiseptics to prevent infection. Traditional practices included the use of poultices made from plants to reduce swelling and promote healing. Knowledge of medicinal plants was passed down through generations, forming the basis of early medicine. Early humans developed an understanding of animal behavior for survival. Predicting animal movements was crucial for successful hunting strategies. Understanding animal behavior helped early humans avoid dangerous encounters. Knowledge of animal habits, such as feeding and mating seasons, improved hunting efficiency. Observing subtle cues in animal behavior provided early humans with a competitive advantage. Early human activities significantly impacted the environment through practices like deforestation. Overhunting by early humans led to the depletion of certain animal populations. Deforestation altered ecosystems, reducing biodiversity and disrupting natural habitats. The consequences of overhunting included ecological imbalances and potential species extinction. Early hominid species coexisted in shared territories, leading to competition for resources. Competition between hominids often involved disputes over food sources and hunting grounds. Interactions between different hominid species could range from peaceful coexistence to aggressive conflict. The outcome of competition influenced the survival and evolutionary trajectory of hominid species. Environmental pressures and resource scarcity intensified competition among hominid populations. Genetic diversity refers to the variety of genes within a population. Early human populations exhibited significant genetic diversity due to geographical distribution and adaptation. Greater genetic diversity enhances a population's ability to adapt to environmental changes. Genetic variations arise through mutations and gene flow. Understanding genetic diversity is crucial for studying human evolution and population health. Social learning is a key mechanism for transmitting knowledge and skills across generations. Through observation and imitation, individuals acquire new behaviors and competencies from others. Social learning facilitates the rapid adaptation of communities to changing environments. Cultural norms and traditions are maintained and evolved through social learning processes. Effective social learning enhances collective intelligence and problem-solving capabilities within groups. Culture initially develops through the establishment of shared beliefs within a community. Customs emerge as repeated behaviors that reinforce these shared beliefs and values. Traditions are the formalized transmission of customs and beliefs across generations. These shared beliefs, customs, and traditions collectively define a culture's identity. The development of culture provides a framework for social cohesion and cooperation. Symbols are used in communication to convey complex ideas efficiently. In art, symbols add layers of meaning and cultural context to visual works. Rituals often employ symbols to represent abstract concepts or spiritual beliefs. The interpretation of symbols can vary based on cultural and individual perspectives. Early technology began with the creation of simple stone tools. The progression of technology involved the development of more complex implements. Advancements in materials and techniques led to increased tool efficiency and functionality. Technological evolution is characterized by increasing sophistication and specialization of tools. The development of technology has transformed human capabilities and interactions with the environment. Cooperation played a crucial role in the survival of early humans. Collaborative hunting strategies increased the success rate of acquiring food resources. Shared knowledge and skills, passed down through generations, enhanced collective problem-solving abilities. Cooperation facilitated the construction of shelters and the sharing of resources within early human communities. Collective defense against predators improved the safety and security of the group. The ability to cooperate allowed early humans to thrive in challenging environments. Climate change significantly altered the environments inhabited by early humans. Environmental shifts prompted early humans to migrate in search of resources and habitable climates. Migration led to the dispersal of early human populations across diverse geographical regions. Early humans adapted their behaviors and technologies to survive in new and challenging environments. These adaptations influenced the biological and cultural evolution of early human populations. Innovation enabled early humans to overcome environmental challenges. The development of tools allowed for more efficient hunting and gathering. Fire provided warmth, protection, and the ability to cook food, expanding dietary options. Innovation facilitated migration and adaptation to new environments. Adaptability played a crucial role in the survival of early humans. Early humans adapted to diverse environments through tool use and social cooperation. Diverse environments presented unique challenges that required innovative solutions for survival. The ability to adapt allowed early humans to thrive in various climates and geographical conditions. Early spiritual beliefs often centered around natural phenomena and forces. Ritual practices developed as a means to connect with and influence these perceived forces. Symbolic representations, such as cave paintings, served as a form of early spiritual expression. These early forms of spirituality laid the foundation for organized religions and belief systems. Disease outbreaks significantly reduced early human populations, challenging their survival and growth. Limited medical knowledge and resources hindered early humans' ability to effectively combat diseases. Early human settlements faced challenges in sanitation and hygiene, contributing to the rapid spread of infectious diseases. The impact of disease shaped early human social structures and migration patterns. Conflict played a crucial role in shaping the social dynamics of early human groups. Competition for resources often led to conflicts between early human groups. Territorial disputes were a common cause of conflict among early human populations. Conflict influenced the development of social structures and hierarchies within early human groups. Successful conflict resolution could lead to alliances and cooperation between groups. The outcomes of conflicts significantly shape the territorial boundaries of early human settlements. Social hierarchies may emerge within early human communities based on various factors. Strength and hunting prowess can contribute to an individual's elevated status within the group. Knowledge and skill in toolmaking or healing could also lead to higher social standing. Control over resources, such as food or water, can establish dominance and influence. Inherited status or lineage may play a role in determining social position across generations. These hierarchies, once established, influence social interactions and resource allocation within the community. Resource scarcity significantly shaped the survival strategies of early humans. Limited access to food and water drove early humans to develop cooperative hunting techniques. Scarcity promoted the development of toolmaking skills for more efficient resource utilization. Resource limitations influenced migration patterns as early humans sought more sustainable environments. Leadership played a critical role in the survival and success of early human groups. Effective leaders organized hunting parties, increasing the likelihood of securing food. Leaders facilitated the division of labor, enhancing overall group efficiency and productivity. Guidance from leaders was essential for navigating new territories and avoiding dangers. Early human societies likely developed moral codes to facilitate cooperation and social cohesion. The emergence of moral codes may have been driven by the need to resolve conflicts and maintain order within the group. Reciprocity, fairness, and empathy likely played key roles in shaping early moral principles. Moral codes often involve establishing rules about resource distribution, protection of the vulnerable, and punishment for transgressions. The enforcement of moral codes may have involved social sanctions, such as ostracism or shaming, to deter violations. Over time, these codes could have evolved into more complex ethical systems and cultural norms. Environmental disasters, such as floods, significantly impacted early human populations. Droughts led to food scarcity and migration among early human communities. Resource depletion due to environmental changes strained early human survival strategies. Adaptation to environmental challenges was crucial for the survival of early human populations. The vulnerability of early human settlements to natural disasters shaped their societal development. Early humans developed fundamental toolmaking skills, marking a pivotal advancement in cognitive and practical abilities. The mastery of fire provided early humans with warmth, protection, and the ability to cook food, significantly improving survival rates. Early forms of social organization and communication facilitated cooperation and knowledge transfer, laying the groundwork for complex societies. The development of agriculture allowed for settled communities and a more reliable food supply, leading to population growth and societal specialization. Early human innovations and adaptations created the foundation for modern human societies and technological advancements. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for more videos.